Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking. EIGRP, or Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol, is a powerful routing protocol used in many networks. One of its key features is the ability to maintain multiple paths to a destination. These paths are known as feasible successors. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a feasible successor? Well, it's essentially a backup route that meets certain criteria. These feasible successors are stored in the EIGRP topology table, ready to be used if needed. Here's where it gets interesting. While only the primary successor route is installed in the routing table, those feasible successors are waiting in the EIGRP topology table. This setup is brilliant because it allows for fast convergence. If the primary route fails, EIGRP doesn't need to recalculate everything from scratch. Instead, it can quickly switch to one of the feasible successors. This means less downtime and more stable network performance. You might be curious about how a route qualifies as a feasible successor. Well, it needs to meet what's called the feasibility condition. In simple terms, its reported distance needs to be lower than the feasible distance of the primary successor. If multiple routes meet this condition, they can all be kept as feasible successors. Now you might think, great, I'll just have tons of feasible successors. But hold on a second. By default, EIGRP limits the count of successors and feasible successors to 4. However, depending on your Cisco iOS version, you might be able to adjust this limit. This whole system of primary successors and feasible successors is part of what makes EIGRP so efficient. It's like having multiple backup plans ready to go, ensuring your network stays up and running smoothly. So there you have it, a look into how EIGRP routers can have multiple feasible successors and why it's such a valuable feature. It's all about keeping your network resilient and responsive, even when faced with link failures or other issues. And that's it for this video. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.